You're watching the Cooking with Jack show.
Okay guys, so Jack and Brianna have an electric stove that I'm going to clean. It's a little dirty. I want to see if this works or not. If it works, you'll see this video. If it doesn't work, well, nice knowing you. So there's a little bit of dirt. That's probably the best shot right there. First thing we're going to do is put Easyoff on it. You know, it's been a long time since I've used Easyoff. It used to be a foam. Now it's a spray. Maybe you can still do the foam. We got the heavy duty one. Cover it in Easyoff for half an hour is what I was told. So I'll see you in 30 minutes. I don't know, I kind of did a good job just with the Easyoff, but there's still some, streaks and stuff. And so we're gonna keep going. Next thing we're gonna do is take the Dawn power wash over there and wash it off. You don't have to leave it on. Just spray it, scrub it, and then wipe it off. See what happens. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you. That's the dirt that came off the stovetop right there. So Easyoff did a great job all by itself. I don't know if you need the other stuff, but we'll take a look. Okay, it's kind of funny because it looks good already. I've got power wash on it. I scrubbed it with this little scrubby. More dirt came off. You can see, but I haven't wiped the power wash off yet. Okay, well that looks pretty good. I'd be done with it. It's almost a mirror finish. But I can show you more dirt came off. So we're gonna keep going. Then good old spray glass cleaner. All right guys, we've put the glass cleaner on now. We'll let it set for a few minutes. Okay guys, well, the Easyoff did most of the heavy lifting, but you can see that there's literally nothing there. It's all clean and all shiny. Looks beautiful. So there you go. I'll post the recipe down below.